Hey guys, I'm finally back. A lot of you have been asking where I've been, and the answer to that question is college, life, a full-time job, and this kid. He's getting on my nerves all the time. But we're finally back, and we're doing a little suit-up video for you guys today because I finally finished my first full suit, and let me show you. I'll show you the head first. This is her. Her name is Bezel. She is a black Maine Coon, and she is basically me. The usual. And this is her full suit. Padding isn't sewn in, so that's just all over it. It is digigrade, it's drop crotched, and it's all one color, so that made it really easy to make this full suit for my first time. And partly why I chose to do an all black full suit. So yeah. Let's get started in this full suit on. It's gonna be very hot. Cool. Remi's just watching me, as you can see his little puffball head. He's just sitting there, enjoying the view. Ugh, I'm gonna plan to sew on the padding because putting it in and making it stay in the right place for the entire time that you're wearing it is extremely annoying. And especially with drop crotches because, like, I don't know, you can't really tell where it should be. Like, there's a crotches down here, but my actual crotch is like right here. This is all the way down. Like, it just throws everything off. It's very strange. Especially for my first suit, I don't want to deal with my leg padding being on the side of my leg and not on the back or the front where it should be. Alright. We got leggies. Bang. And he's still sitting there. This is my big tail. Big kitty tails. I'll have to find the hole. Extremely difficult sometimes. Remi's seen this like 1,000 times. He's not even fazed by it at this point. My first suit. Alright. I'm gonna go get my feet paused. Wait a second. Alright. Little feet paws, these are our hand paws. They're gold, shiny. Is that true? If you don't do that dance right there that I just did when you put on your full suit, there's no way. Like, everyone does that dance when they put on their full suit. I do not care a little. Oh my god. I need to get used to this because I'm going to San Japan in a month. And I'm in Texas, so I'm going to San Antonio, which is a 3-hour drive to an anime convention to wear this full suit. Because I really want to fucking wear it out. And it's going to be like 95 degrees outside, but hopefully it won't be that hot inside. But it's going to be my first suit outing, our first time wearing a suit like in the elements, because I'm going to have to walk from the parking garage to the convention. It probably won't be that bad, but it is an all black suit. So, sort of sucks. But we'll get over it. I got a big tail. I get very childish when we suit. We're gonna deal with it. So I'm gonna keep moving on. Shit, what is this? Oh. Like, I'm really proud. This is my first full suit. Like, Remi, get the fuck out of my way. How well it came out. Like, for my standards. I thought it was gonna come out like fucking just not even fitting, like, but it came out really good. I'm like super proud of it. I don't know. It's like one of the proudest things I've ever done. I don't know if I can say that right, but you get what I'm saying. right now. It's when I put the head on that I get like super hot, super quick. Got feet paws. Feet paws. I need to put something on the bottoms. Not quite done. But I'll do that before I go to San Fran. Put my hair down. And now that I've made one full suit, I want to. Can I help you? I'm in the middle of something. What do you need? Anyways, now that I've made one full suit, I want to make so many more. Remy, I swear to God. I want to make so many more, and I have plans to make. If you don't know what a mano kit is, it's a shark fox hybrid made by Dubnut, and I want to make 2 of them. I was thinking about using a base, but then again, I really want to make them myself, like from base up. Oh, I want to make it myself. But yeah, I'm gonna make 2 mano kits for me and my boyfriend for Texas Furry Fiesta next year. Hopefully. Oh. This is a weapon. That's a weapon. Get off my feet. This dude is attacking me. Come here. Alright. Hand paws are on this left. Which are the hardest thing to fucking put on if you already have your other hand paw on. Like, I'm getting used to it, but it's still so hard. You'll see my struggle in like 5 seconds. Let me move the camera. I don't think you want to see my feet paws that much. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, fuck. Oh god. Oh god. Yes, bitch. Okay. I am the master at putting on 2 paws. Alright. This is your girl. She's on. She's done. This is her in all her glory. And my laptop just did a thing, so again, this is her in all her glory. Move the camera again. Oh shit. I know you can see my hair in the back, so it won't be like, oh, I can see your hair, oh, breaking the magic. Cool. I'm gonna fix it, so take a breath. I know it's there. We'll survive together, I promise. Like, honestly, I love this color so much. And this bell, it's only gonna get on my fucking nerves, like, halfway through a minute, and then, but oh wow, it's really fucking cute, and I love it a lot. Yay! Let's see how Remy likes it. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna make a lot more videos now. Ugh. It's hot. Peace. Bye.